Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ishan Ali Khan. You are watching Digital Marketing Software Pakistan. Today, I am going to show you. You can extract email addresses and phone number, and these all the columns: name, phone number, email addresses, website, result, anything. Like I have LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Google, Instagram, TikTok, Zamin. It's a real estate website. Zillow is the USA based real estate website. Okay, you can put the keyword. For example, I put the keyword manager, and location is, for example, London. Okay, and I want to find the manager. Location is London from the LinkedIn. Okay. Uh, Scrap limit tab, I will select all, no limit. Okay, if you want to set any limit, you can set it, and skip the duplicate record. You can check it. Okay, click on check, and click on start button. Okay, after that it will go to the and tap the command, and it will get the data from the LinkedIn. It will get the data from the LinkedIn. Okay, it will get the phone number, email addresses, or LinkedIn URL. Okay, you can see here it's getting the data. uh, this. Okay, it's getting scrapping the email addresses and phone number are showing over here, and you can see email addresses, phone numbers as per availability here. Okay, it will auto scroll down, and it will auto automatically navigate to next page. Okay, and it will find more data as per available on Google in these pages, 10 pages or more than 10 pages if available here. Okay, so you will continue, and you will get more data, more email addresses. Okay, as shown here. Okay, as shown here. Okay, so this is very good, very nice scrapper, data extractor. You can extract and scrap the email addresses and phone numbers from the LinkedIn sites as per showing, and as per written, and as per available. Okay, again and again saying as per written, as per available, or as per showing here. Okay, showing the email addresses, it will get the data. Showing the phone number, it will get the data. Okay, so you should understand these type of things. Okay, so many people don't understand, so that's why I'm explaining, and again and again saying in the detail. Okay, so you will have to understand all the things. Okay, so this is very good, very nice, unstoppable scrapper. Here is the current process count 47. Okay, when you continue, you will get more data. Okay, I'm just here showing you the demo. It's working like this, and it's getting the data like this. Okay, if you are saying that this is not scraping the email and phone number, that's more not mean that it cannot scrap the email or phone number. It can scrap the email and phone number. You can see the proof here. But if this column is empty, so that's mean something is not available here. Here you can see if there is available email addresses, phone numbers, so it will get and scrap it. Okay, so you should understand these type of things. You don't blame on the tool. Don't blame on me or anything else. Okay, you should understand the things. Okay, so I'm just stopping this scrapper at the moment, so I will move to the next feature. Okay, now we will see that how it's look like. in Excel file how it's look like. So you will know the interface, the email addresses. This is the outlook of this. Is also scrapping the name and the links over here. Okay, it's the phone numbers here. You can set up all this. Okay, and this is the result with the descriptions, and these are the phone numbers scrapped here. You can set it here. Okay, like this. I set here phone number. Okay, I will increase this, and here you will get the LinkedIn profiles also. Okay, if you want to check, so you can check here. Okay, these are the phone numbers available here. These are the email addresses, you can see. Okay, so let's move to the, let's save this one first. Okay, and I will save the here LinkedIn London manager. Okay, okay, now I will clear this data first. Okay, uh, now I will move to the Twitter. You can get the data Twitter, like I tap here. Now next keyword real estate, and Twitter same location. Okay, so you will understand the things. Start the process, and it will get the data as per availability, okay, and here we got the two pages at the moment. Okay, you can see here uh, email addresses and phone numbers. Getting the email addresses is phone number. The profiles written real estate or this type of word, it will catch the keywords. Okay, so you can see this is scrapping like this. Okay, now I'm stopping it. Let's move to the next feature. I'm clearing this data. I already showed you how the downloaded profile look like. Okay, so I'm going to show you the next feature is the Facebook. So let's move to the next Facebook feature, how it will get the data. For example, I tap the real estate location USA, start the process, and you can see the lots of data is here showing in the Google search engine. Tapping the command, and lots of pages are here. You will get lots of data. So here you can see uh, email addresses, phone numbers, which are related to the keywords and location from the Facebook. This is very amazing, very amazing. So you will not find this type of very amazing good data extractor, good data scraper. You haven't seen yet, I think, on entire YouTube videos. Okay, and you haven't seen like this type of features. I think this type of quality of data, it's the quality data. Okay, quality email addresses and phone numbers as per available, again showing, again saying as per availability. Availability means here can be show. Okay, so you will have to understand again and again. Okay, so I'm just stopping it. Okay, I just wanted to show you the little demo that it's look like this. And so How you can scrap, for example, Zameen.com. It's a Pakistani real estate website. So I type here Karachi real estate Zameen. I will clear this one first, okay, and start the process. Okay, first type real estate. Zameen.com is actually a Pakistani uh, real estate website. So we'll try to get that up from the Zameen.com. Yeah, it's not scrapping the email. Does not mean it cannot scrap the email addresses. Again, saying you, it can scrap the email addresses and the phone numbers, but if it's not available in the profile, so what can this can be do? So these are all the features. Okay, contact me if you have any question. Okay, my phone number and some descriptions. The more videos related to data scrapping are available. Links are available in the description. Must read the description. Must check the description. Okay. Subscribe my channel. Click on bell icon for the new upcoming videos. Thank you.